A very good morning to my little ones. I hope you all are fine. Now, tell me in yesterday's session what we have done. We revised alphabet A to L, right? So, in today's session also, we will revise alphabet A to L. So, let's quickly revise these alphabet with the help of pictures. Alphabet A. A says A. A for apple. A for ankle. Alphabet B. B says B. B for bun. B for basket. Alphabet C. C says K. C for chair. C for can. Alphabet D. D says D. D for drum. D for duster. Alphabet E. E says E. E for eraser. E for 8. Alphabet F. F says F. F for finger. F for frog. Alphabet G. G says G. G for girl. G for gorilla. Alphabet H. H says H. H for hen. H for house. Alphabet I. I says I and E. I for ink pot. I for idli. Alphabet J. J says J. J for jam. J for jacket. Alphabet K. K says K. K for kiwi. K for kite. Alphabet L. L says L. L for lunchbox. L for lollipop. Now, let us do an interesting activity. Are you all ready? Excited? So, let's start. Now, let us start with the activity. What we have to do in this activity is, we have to place the capital alphabet above and small alphabet below. Like, I have kept capital J above and small j below. In that way, we have to see which alphabet are missing and select from the above flashcards and place it in the missing spaces. Understood? So in that way, we have to fill the missing spaces with appropriate alphabet. So, see children, I have kept here capital J and small j. ऊपर कैपिटल अल्फ़ाबेट है और नीचे स्मॉल अल्फ़ाबेट है. इसी तरीके से हम बाकी का भी फिल करेंगे. Which alphabet is this? This is small I. So which alphabet we will keep here? We will keep capital I. So we will search for capital I from here. Is this capital I? No. Is this capital I? No. Is this capital I? Yes. So what we will do? We will pick capital I from here and place it above small I. Capital I, small I. Now tell me children, which alphabet is this? This is capital G. So what we will keep here? We will keep small g. ये कौन सा alphabet है? कैपिटल जी, तो कैपिटल जी के नीचे हम कौन सा अल्फाबेट रखेंगे? स्मॉल जी. So we will search for small g from here. Is this small g? No. Is this small g? No. Is this small g? Yes. So we will take small g and place it below capital G. Capital G, small g. Now tell me children, which alphabet is this? This is capital L. तो हम उसके नीचे कौन सा अल्फाबेट रखेंगे? Very good. We will keep small l. Right. So tell me, which is small l here? Is this small l? No. Is this small l? Yes. So we will take small l and place it below capital L. Capital L and small l. Now tell me children, which alphabet is this? This is small f, right? So what we will keep here? We will keep capital F here. So let us search for capital F. Is this capital F? No. Is this capital F? No. Is this capital F? Yes. So we will take capital F and place it above small f. Capital F, small f. Now tell me children, which alphabet is this? This is C. C for cat. So let us search for small c. Where is small c? Is this small c? No. Is this small c? Yes. So we will take small c and place it below capital C. Capital C and small c. In this way, we will complete this activity. Did you enjoy? Yes. Okay. Now, let us practice writing in order A to L in 4-line notebook. Today's date is 27.8.20. That is 27th August 2020. And again today we will write in order A to L. So let us start writing. First we will write alphabet A. Slant line, slipping line. Capital A. Curve, standing line. Small a. Now we will write alphabet B. Standing line, go up, make a curve, again make a curve, capital B. Standing line, go up, make a curve, come down, small b. Now we will write C. Capital C, small c. Then what will come? D. Standing line, go up, make a curve, come down, capital D. Standing line, go up, make a reverse C, small d. After A, B, C, D, what will come? E. For that, first we will make a standing line, slipping line, a small slipping line, again a slipping line, E. For small e, slant line, curve, go up, small e. After E, we will write F. Standing line, slipping line, small slipping line, F. Small f. Then what will come? G. C curve, go up, small slipping line inside, capital G. Make a C curve, go up, come down, small g. Then what will come? E, F, G, H. Two standing line and a slipping line in between, capital H. Standing line, go up, make a curve, come down, small h. After h, what will come? I. For that, slipping line, standing line, again slipping line, capital I. For small I, standing line and a dot, small I. Now after I, what will come? J. For that, we'll make a slipping line, a standing line and a small curve, capital J. And small j we will start from first blue line till the bottom red line and a dot, capital J, small j. After j what will come? K. We'll make a standing line, a slant line little bit below the blue line, and from the blue line we'll make again a slant line, capital K. Standing line, slant line little bit above the point here, we'll make again a slant line, small k. Then at last what will come? L. Standing line, slipping line, capital L, and a standing line, small l. In this way, you have to practice writing in order alphabet A to L at home. Now, let us do this exercise where we have to draw as per the alphabet. The first alphabet is C. Now, what we will draw for C? For C, we will draw a cup. So, let's start drawing. Make a curve like this. Close it from above and below like this. And we'll give a handle. C for cup. Now which alphabet is this? Alphabet I. So what we will draw related to I? Let us draw an ice cream. For that, first we'll make a slant line. Again a slant line. Make a small curve joining the slant line. And make curves like this. And we'll put a small circle for cherry here. I for ice cream. Now which alphabet is this? Alphabet H. So we will draw a heart here related to alphabet H. For that we'll first make a standing line. Another standing line leaving some space. Slipping line. And then we'll make a door in this way. Now for the roof, we will make slant line, slant line, slant line like this till the middle, and then again we'll make slant lines like this. H for heart. Now which alphabet is this? Alphabet L. For L, we will draw a lamp here. For that, we'll first make a small slipping line. Leaving some space, we'll make a long slipping line. Now we will join both these slipping lines with the help of a slant line. And then from the middle of the big slipping line, we'll make a standing line. Again a standing line. And we'll make a box like this below. L for lamp. Now which alphabet is this? Alphabet F. So what we will draw here? We'll draw a flower here. For that, first we'll make a circle. And then we'll make curves like this around the small circle. And we'll make a stem like this and 2 leaves. F for flower. Which alphabet is this? Alphabet G. So, we'll draw grapes here. G for grapes. For that, we'll make a slipping line like this, a standing line from the middle, and then we'll make 5 circles like this. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, joining each other. Then we'll make 4 circles below it. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And then we'll make 3 circles. 1, 2, 3. Then 2 circles. 1, 2. And at the last we will make 1 circle. So, what is this? Grapes. G for grapes. I hope you all are clear about the alphabet from A to L. Practice writing these alphabet in 4-line notebook at your home. See you soon with a new topic. Till then, take care and bye-bye.